What's up, guys? This is Ranger from Elite Tuner. We're here at ADI, where we're gonna be installing our AWE exhaust on our M2. We cannot wait to see how this sounds and how it looks. Can't wait. Stay tuned. So as you guys can see, this is some high quality materials that AWE uses, and I cannot wait to see how this sounds at the car. We got the black exhaust tips, and we're gonna be installing it here at AWE. So let's get to the installation right now.
All right, guys, so pretty much here we gotta actually cut this exhaust to be able to install it. So we're gonna be marking where it needs to be cut at and then proceed to cut it. We're gonna start on the driver's side here first. The driver's side is gonna be 60 millimeters, pretty much towards the cat. So this is our first mark that we're gonna do. Gonna measure on the driver's side from this bracket here over to the center here. Then our second mark is gonna be on the passenger side. It's gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna be 108 millimeters from this back bracket here.
Right after you guys take out the exhaust, right? After you do the two cuts and take out the exhaust, what you need to do is come over here and take out all the bushings. So this is the hangers, whatever you want to call them, from the old exhaust, so we could go ahead and put it on the new exhaust right here. So that's what we're doing right now. So yeah, it's gonna be tight in there, but we're gonna make it work.